Okay, continuing on from where we left off in the last video. We had 0.6272 is equal to 1 minus, in parentheses, 0.995318, and that's raised to the number of payments. Okay, so what we need to do now is subtract 1 from both sides because we want to isolate this number that's raised to the number of payments, because eventually we want to solve for number of payments. So in order to do that, we got to get rid of the 1 on the right side of the equation. So we subtract 1 on the left side. We subtract, sorry that it's blurry right now. We subtract 1 on the right side. There we go. I'm sorry about losing focus there. And what we're left with is negative 0.3728 is equal to negative 0.995318 raised to the number of payments. Now we want to get rid of that negative sign on both sides, so we divide by each side by negative 1. And we have 0.3728 is equal to 0.995318 raised to the number of payments. Okay, so now we're at the point where we have our variable all by itself. The base 0.995318 is raised to the variable that we're looking for, which is the number of payments. So in order to solve this, we got to take the ln of both sides. The ln of 0.3728 and the ln of the right side as well. Sorry, I'm a little blurry here. Okay, and what we're going to have here, I apologize about this. When we do the ln of 0.3728 on the left side, I'm going to have to go down a little bit. We get negative 0.986713. And that's equal to, now, the number of payments, that exponent, when we take the ln of both sides, that exponent becomes a coefficient. So that's why we have, I'm so sorry here. This is tough, this video. So we have is negative 0.986713 is equal to the number of payments times, and when we do the ln of 0.995318, we get negative 0.004693. So we divide both sides by negative 0.004693, and we get 210.25. That's the total number of payments we made. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with my phone, why there's a blur there. I'll have to check that out in the next video. So now we know our number of payments. But what we were looking for was how many years it takes to pay off the loan. Well, we could put together a formula. The years to pay off the loan is the total number of payments, because we're making payments every month for the course of the loan, over the course of the loan. And if we divide by 12, we would get the amount of years that we would be making payments. So we divide 210.25 divided by 12, and we take 17.52 years, which is about 17 and a half years. So you can see if we make payments that, instead of making payments of, I believe it was $1,059, if we make $1,500 payments, which is a little more than half, or a little less than half of our payment more, because the payment was $1,050. Half of that would be $5,000. $5,050, or oh Jesus, half that is $5,025, and we're making. I don't want to lose you there. I'm just gonna stop right there. I don't want to confuse you. It takes 17 years, and 17 and a half years roughly.